I'm recording myself to explain the second part for this week lab work. So we are going to use the animator under selector dynamic in order to make animation, and this time it's going to be slightly different from previous processes. So here I have my washing machine, and as you can see, the door of washing machine is opening up. So in order to create such an animation, I use dynamic. I'm going to show another simple animation which we can do in similar way. So I go back to configure and I'm going to move rectangle. So I'm drawing a rectangle and I'm copying it multiple. Now I want them to be on one line. Sorry. So there are ways to align them. Previously I mentioned them. There are ways that you can put them in a straight line. I leave that for you guys to find out how you can align them exactly. Now, the way that we select multiple items in graphworx is by holding the shift key instead of the control key that we would normally do for selecting multiple. Another way is by grabbing them using your, if I can do with only one hand because this laptop is a little bit, if I zoom out then I should be able to select all of them at the same time. Now I zoom in a little bit because that matters when we go to runtime. Our zoom matters. Now when I have multiple items selected as follow, you can see here. So under dynamic, instead of actions, you go to selectors, and then you can see when you have multiple items selected, 3 of these options are available. So when you click on animator, here you have this window that helps you how you want it to be animated. By clicking on this arrow here, you can check how do you want them to move. Right now it seems that this slice should be moved. So you want it to move smoothly to make the animation, and I'm happy with that. For the data tag, I'm going to use from base simulation PLC. I'm going to use ramp. Now okay, and apply and okay. Now when we go to runtime or control M, so it seems that my box is moving. The same way I have done for the door of washing machine. We can do that for conveyor belts and many other applications.